Hello and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you the best Navy Federal credit card for beginners. Now by the end of this video you're going to understand everything you need to know about this card, and I'm going to talk about all the benefits it has, especially for beginners who don't yet have a credit card or only have a few and are looking to get more. So the Navy Federal Credit Union N Rewards Secured Card is a great way to build your credit history and earn rewards at the same time. To qualify for the N Rewards Secured, you must have a security deposit of at least $200, and this deposit will serve as your credit limit. As you make on-time payments and build your credit, you may be eligible for a higher credit limit or to upgrade to an unsecured credit card. The N Rewards Secured earns 1 point per dollar spent on all purchases. Points can then be redeemed for cashback, statement credits, gift cards or merchandise. There is also no annual fee for the N Rewards Secured, and it has a low interest rate. So what are the costs associated with this credit card? To start with, there's the security deposit. This means you will need to make a deposit of at least $200 and it will serve as your credit limit. In terms of the annual fee, there is no annual fee for the N Rewards Secured card. And this card also has low interest rates, but the exact rate can vary and should be checked directly with Navy Federal Credit Union. Please note that while there are no annual fees, you may incur costs related to interest if you carry a balance on the card. It's always best to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid paying interest charges. Also, late payment fees may apply if payments are not made on time. So what are the pros of using this card? To start with, credit building. This card is designed to help you build or repair your credit. After just 3 months of responsible usage, you could be eligible for an upgrade. Then at 6 months, Navy Federal will review your account monthly to see if you're eligible to have your savings account hold removed and your credit card account upgraded to a cash rewards unsecured card. There's also rewards, and this means that every dollar you spend, you earn 1 point. And these points can be redeemed for cash, statement credits, gift cards and merchandise. There's also low costs. It has no annual fees, no balance transfer fees, and also no foreign transaction fees. And finally, the security deposit. The security deposit of at least $200 not only serves as your credit limit, but it also minimises the risk for the issuer, making it easier for individuals with poor or no credit history to get approved. So what about the cons? To start with, the security deposit. The requirements are $200, which might be a hurdle for some individuals, but the deposit is necessary to establish your credit limit. There's also membership requirements, meaning for you to apply to this card, you must be a member of the Navy Federal Credit Union. This means not everyone will be able to apply. There's also limited reward rates. The reward rate of 1 point per dollar spent is relatively low compared to some other credit cards on the market. And finally, there's upgrade eligibility, meaning while your card offers the opportunity to upgrade to an unsecured card, this is not a guarantee and it depends on your credit behaviour. So in conclusion, the Navy Federal N Rewards Secured credit card is a good choice for a first credit card, especially if you're looking to build or repair your credit. And here are a few reasons why. It has great credit building, it offers brilliant rewards, and finally the costs are low, meaning it should be pretty accessible to most people. However, it's important to remember that everyone's financial situation and needs are different. What works best for one person might not work well for another. It's always a good idea to do your own research and possibly consult with a financial advisor before making a decision. So this has been my video talking about the best Navy Federal credit card for beginners. Hopefully now that you've watched this video, you understand exactly what this card does, and you should be able to work out whether it's right for you. Hopefully you found this video helpful, so please comment down below to say this video helped you out, and also like and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching.